As if the sweltering 47 degrees Celsius heat sweeping North India wasn't enough, the temperature of tirades has risen between the two main rival political alliances in the ongoing 2024 general elections in India. Fiery nationalist fervor dominates speeches at rallies by the National Democratic Alliance, NDA, led by the ruling Federal Party, the Bharatiya Janata Party, BJP. On the other hand, the Indie Alliance led by now its two fair-weather allies Arvind Kejriwal of Aam Aadmi Party, AAP, and Rahul Gandhi of Indian National Congress, INC, indulge in drama and emotional vote-begging. Riding the wave of antics is AAP's Kejriwal, out on bail in a major liquor scam plaguing his Delhi government with two ministers still sitting in jail. He is joined now by an earlier arch-rival, Rahul Gandhi. They simply say anything to bring down the government of Prime Minister Modi. The 2024 general elections in India, with 980 million voters and an average 60% plus turnout in the five-phase of polling so far out of the total of 7, has entered a crucial point. Kejriwal tells people to vote for his party symbol, a broom, Jhadu, to wipe out the BJP, appealing emotionally that otherwise he will be packed off back to jail. Rahul doesn't really campaign directly for Kejriwal, but obliquely labels Modi as a dictator. The BJP top brass addressed the rallies in Delhi and Haryana states. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Home Minister Amit Shah, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, and BJP President J.P. Nadda all addressed independent rallies in just 3 days. Also, the otherwise media interview-shy PM Modi was seen doing one-on-ones with all TV channels. This an obvious hint of a pitched battle for votes. Kejriwal is making a mockery of elections, saying in his speech that UP Chief Minister will soon be evicted from his post by Modi and Shah. BJP is pitching for strong India and development, citing decades of corruption by Congress and others. With less than a week left for voting in Delhi and Haryana on 25th May, the BJP pitch is nationalism that played well in 2019 elections. Amit Shah said at a rally in Haryana that Pakistan-occupied Kashmir, POK, belongs to India and will be taken back. He accused the Congress of playing the politics of appeasement for years. He said the Congress did not revoke Article 370 in Kashmir because of its appeasement policy. He added that Congress leaders did not take part in the Ram Temple consecration ceremony because they wanted to appease the party's minority vote bank. And, in Chandigarh, Chief Minister Yogi hit out at Indie Alliance for being anti-Sanatan, anti-staunch Hindu. Political pundits and analysts have been quiet so far. The 2024 general elections in India are set to create history. If the BJP-led NDA comes back for a hat-trick, it would be the first of its kind. If somehow, and it doesn't seem so yet, the Indie Alliance does make it, it would mark a turning point for India with much left to guess what might happen.